Alright. That is Jesus. I'm gonna just reach out my Uber on my crit streak before I get into the real. Three, two, one. Go, 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 go! Hopefully I can go. Oh! Oh, that's nice. Come on, come on. Come on, Heavy. Get going. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Easy. Fighting a bunch of rookie sensations. I've been playing Steam since 2017. Oh, look at that. Get the overdose ready. Overdose on the drugs! Looks like that sentry died from drug overdosage. But that sentry didn't. I'll get that one next. Done. That sentry is... I got the answer. Come on, man. Push the bloody cat. Look at this. Speed. Another successful procedure. No more hell. Alright, let's start again. Come on. Go.
I want names!
I want my best, mate. Hurry up and get that there. Get your blood. Scheiße. Oh, we got a weep here. I don't like weeps. This is why count. Get over here, you little shit. He's like... Team Blue wins! No, man, that's fine. Alright, let's switch team. Switch. Alright, Demo Dude. Kill them all! I will try sticky jumping, but I use the scarf resistance. I don't think I can do that. Look at this. I'll use the scarf resistance because of this. Time to chop someone's. Really? Is that all you do? This will prevent you from getting out.
Mission begins in 10 seconds.
Okay.
4, 3,
I'm gonna hold this. Oh, that didn't work. No, that didn't do much damage. I'm the demo man. Oh man. Don't find it, don't find it. I'm trying to see it. I saved the ultimate. Get bloody. Let us play. I hate. Wait, oh god, but we got bots here in the area. Beware, we got the bots. Got bots. Okay, let's do this. Yep, get rid of the bots. Reload. I hate NG. What is this? Oh god, the Soviet. There are free heavies. What is this? The Soviet Union trying to take over our base? I'm gonna chop your head off, NG. What the?
5 minutes left in the mission.
What the piss? You got it. Sure, fine. Okay. My head is only one, probably like a 1 foot tall. I don't know. I need to get up there. See, come on, detonate! Is there a reason why they don't use this thing anymore? Oops, I broke it. So the engineer. Let's try this out. Bad idea, bad idea, bad idea. Metagaming. This is just getting too easy.
Back your bloody call.
Missed. You can't hit the shot. Oh, that's just great. Come on, rookie sensations. Can't see. Haha. Pyro die. Goodness. Stackies. People can hardly sticky spam with this thing. Over, I think it lets me fire. Let me try it out. How much that? Reloading the thing. I hate this thing. Gotta reload, gotta reload, gotta reload, gotta reload. Ammo, sorry, but this ammo's mine. Ow. Damn, will this guy ever run? Man, Heavy's never even close to run out of ammo. We gotta prevent that cart. I'm gonna try to surround these cart with stickies. Never mind, I got blown up. I blew up everything. Thanks, Doc. Come out of your head. I cut your skull open.
Roll back to hell, you bloody cock!
Oh, spots. Join their lucky team. Oh. Alright, let's get back to work. Let's chop someone's head off. Get over here. Don't fret. I'll be gentle. Bye-bye, Chris. Rip useless engineer that can't do his job right and got fired. I have a good idea. What's up? Ow. That was a waste. Just throwing around. Pyro touch. Ouch. That's it. I'm gonna cut that pieces. Come on, win for me. Oh, another game done. Try a different map. Well, that was fun.